I really wanna practice lab safety. If you wanna be aseptic, you gotta wash your hands, tie back hair and wear gloves, long pants, socks, and glasses to stop contamination. Gotta wear a lab coat. I know I was aseptic, no contamination. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I really wanna practice lab safety. If you wanna be aseptics, wash hands before and after class. Clean lab bench before and after each lab. If you wanna be safe in the lab, you have to stop contamination or else that'll be bad. What do you think about that? Is that all you do? You have to act professionally. Horse plays a big deal. Paying attention, important. I worked efficiently. Wet labs ran smoothly. Aseptic technique. In microlab, I inoculated liquid cultures, made streak plates, tube chamber cultures, doing it the right way. It was a process to follow the steps and not guess. As I went through the course, remember how I followed aseptic technique. Inoculating liquid culture, body up, flame up in the cool, then you will mouth trip through the flame. Swish the bacteria in there, flame the mouth, then cap the tube. There's proof I followed these procedures. I isolated colonies of my unknown from Bach culture. All colonies were the same size and color. Streak plates were different. I did these as well, and it starts the same way. Flame loop until red hot. Let coal get a loop full. Open the plate and begin streak technique. I know there's work too, because I have proof of pure colonies and less colonies are in each segment. Yes, this worked. And I practiced aseptic technique. Because when we streak plates, we do it correctly. Inoculate, loop, let cool pick individual colony. Do a T-streak, zigzag across section 1. Inoculate again, you are not done. Let cool and repeat on sections 2 and 3. Cross over twice in previous section. Less colonies will form in the next one. Trying to isolate some colonies. Colonies, A. Isolating colonies. Colonies, A. Isolating colonies. Ease, A. They'll be in section 3. E. Individual colonies. Ease. Name and date and concepts in there. Labels important for the refrigerator. Incubated upside down, condensation will not prevail. Looking at my plate, yeah, that's a winner. Single colonies and no contamination is in there. Same size, same color on plate. No contamination in there. Isolating colonies in there. Got a sample of microbes. What are they gonna be? Now that we've made streak plates and isolated colonies. Colonies 48 hours old, ready for gram stain. Follow procedures to stand. Aseptic technique. Observe smears under the microscope. Saw what I expected. My bacteria were spread out on the side. I know because they weren't clumped. That's when I could look and identify, and I could identify, and I could identify, and I could identify. Pink bacillus random arrangement means gram-negative. Bacteria, bacteria. Purple cocci random arrangement means gram-positive. Bacteria, bacteria. Each smear showed a single color and shape, so no contamination. The colors are vibrant, so same technique worked. I know something about the unknowns. I confirmed their shape and arrangement. The gram stain is positive or negative. Their gram stain. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Identified bacteria by their gram stain. Gram-positive coccus, gram-negative bacillus. That's not enough. What is their species? Carbohydrate tests begin to identify. Can it metabolize glucose and sucrose? How about lactose? These tests are telling me, so I can classify into a species. Gram-positive, all tests were negative, and I was like, so they didn't ferment. Sugars in the test. Looked at the chart. There is just one left that fits all these characteristics. Micrococcus luteus. It fits descriptions, yellow growth. Tiny colonies, gram-positive. Another test to make sure urease test was positive, I was assured. Oh, for gram-negative, they tested positive. On all carbohydrate tests, acid and gas production. I know because the tubes turn yellow. And I saw the Durham tube air bubble. Looked at the chart. This just matched too. Enter bacterial aerogenes and Klebsiella pneumoniae too. Did a urease test to see which the species is. It came back negative. It could only be Enterobacter aerugenia.